Woo crew, we here at, well, where are we at? Where are we at? Hofbrauhaus. Hofbrauhaus, Helen, Georgia. And you know what? Rafael Viso from Viso's Travel. That guy right there. He's going to be doing the Germantor challenge. Can he do it? We don't know. We're going to find out real soon. I got it.
Is this a challenge or what?
You told me you got it. Can you do it?
I thought it was a challenge. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, well, you finish it, you get a free mug.
And 3 months?
There's no time limit on it.
No time limit? Oh, man, this is nothing.
You got it.
He says he got it. All right, guys. Rafael Viso from Viso's Travel is fixing to attempt the Germantor here at the Hofbrauhaus here in Helen, Georgia. There's so much excitement going on. Can he do it? I don't know.
Will I finish? Will I not?
A slow start here. Slow start. Halfway through the burger challenge, the Germantor, best day ever. We're hanging out with friends in Helen, Georgia. You can't beat that. Come on now. We still got Rafael working on that Germantor. We want to get back in on Rafael. Where we at? What's the time? What's the time? 17 minutes game to check out what's going on. Rafi. Man wins. Rafi. 20 minutes. He did it in 20 minutes. Woo! BSK. That's right, Rafi. You did it.
Did you enjoy
BSK.
BSK 2.0.